Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we take the guesswork out of shopping and help you save some cash. Today, we're comparing the Canon EOS R10 and the Canon EOS R100 mirrorless cameras. Spoiler alert. One of them is the overachiever, while the other is a solid contender. So grab your coffee and let's see which camera deserves your hard-earned cash. Let's kick things off with the price. The Canon EOS R10 is priced around $1,379, which some reviewers note is a bit steep, especially for beginners. They appreciate its high performance, but are cautious about the investment. Meanwhile, the Canon EOS R100 comes in at a much more budget-friendly $479, making it a popular choice among those who want great quality without breaking the bank. Reviewers love that they can still capture fantastic images at a lower price point, making it a great value for money. Now moving on to image quality. The R10 features a 24.2 megapixel sensor, while the R100 has a slightly lower 24.1 megapixel sensor. Both cameras produce stunning images, as highlighted by several users who rave about the quality. The R10 is praised for its superior image quality, especially for automotive and wildlife photography, while the R100 is noted for its excellent picture quality as well, making it a great option for family photos and casual use. It's clear that both cameras excel in this department, regardless of the minor difference in megapixels. When it comes to processing power, the R10's DIGIC-X processor is a standout feature, enhancing its performance for sharp photos and ultra-high-definition videos. Reviewers appreciate this aspect, especially those who are looking for professional-level results. The R100, with its DIGIC-8 processor, does a commendable job too, but some users find it a bit slow for fast-paced situations. While both cameras perform well, the R10 is recognized as the more robust option for serious photography needs. Next, let's talk about autofocus. The R10 has smart autofocus with subject detection technology, which reviewers find impressive, especially for action shots. In contrast, the R100 features dual-pixel CMOS AF with up to 143 zones. Some users note that while the R100 can find subjects well, it might get distracted, making the R10 the preferred choice for fast-moving subjects. Photographers looking to capture dynamic scenes will likely lean towards the R10 for its superior tracking capabilities. In terms of continuous shooting speed, the R10 can capture up to 15 frames per second, which is a hit among reviewers who want to freeze fast action, like pets or sports. The R100, however, manages up to 6.5 frames per second, and while that's decent, some users feel it falls short for capturing quick moments. Thus, if you're serious about action photography, the R10 is definitely the better option according to user experiences. Finally, let's consider size and portability. The R100 is the lightest and most compact in the EOS R series, making it a favorite among users who prioritize portability. Reviewers often mention how easy it is to carry around, perfect for family outings or travel. The R10, while still compact, is a bit bulkier and may not fit in every pocket. For those who want a camera that's easy to take anywhere, the R100 shines as a practical choice, while the R10 still offers great features for a slightly larger build. Overall, the Canon EOS R10 is highly regarded for its performance and image quality, making it a great choice for serious photographers. However, some users are wary of its price and battery life. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R100 receives praise for its affordability and ease of use, especially for beginners, though it has its limitations in speed and processing power. So, to sum it all up, if you're after a high-performance camera that can handle fast action and don't mind spending a bit more, the Canon EOS R10 is your best bet. But if you want to save some cash while still getting fantastic photos, the Canon EOS R100 is certainly worth considering. Remember, the best camera is the one that fits your needs and budget. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below about which product you prefer and why. Links to both products are in the description. Keep buying smart.